Hi YouTube, my name is Jay Brown. Welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I have a double unboxing for you. This was not intended to be a double unboxing, but what had happened was, y'all, these sales, they have just been too good. And I've had several Dooney items on my wish list for a while now. Let me just sit down. I've had several Dooney items on my wish list for a while, so I really just wanted to make sure that I picked up a few pieces and knock a few items off my wish list as I prepare to go have several seats once again in 2024. So here's the first box. Let's go ahead and get into this box. You guys, it's intact. It's in good shape. I just wanted to share that. So several ladies have been having their packages arrive with just the boxes just toe up from the flow up. And so I did want to share with you guys that both of my boxes arrived in pretty much perfect condition, okay? So that's not what you're here for. You're here for these contents. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to just lift this up so y'all can see this, you guys. From this packaging, let's get this out the way. Let's move this packaging on down. You guys, this bag is none other than the beautiful Hattie Florentine in the color black. I wanted this bag in another color, you guys. I have it in the taupe, and I picked that one up from I Love Dooney. But this one I ordered directly from the Dooney & Burke website. They had an excellent sale, 30% off, plus when I had loaded it into my cart and then kind of just left the site, they sent me an email giving me an additional $20 off. So that really made it like closer to 35, almost 40% off. And this bag is in perfect condition. She does come with feet. This is the back. There's a little thing that says genuine Vachetta leather. I don't know if you guys can see that with the lighting. There you go. Genuine Vachetta leather. Here is the strap, which I love. I love this. I'm definitely keeping this bag, so if I could just get this off. Good. I'm just gonna go ahead and hook the other strap on, or hook it onto the other side. This bag is gorgeous, you guys. You see this? Just gorgeous. The leather looks amazing. I'm not seeing any scratches, any crazy wrinkles. It's very smooth all around. So yeah, she is looking great, you guys. And I have been on a very serious black bag kick. I think at some point I realized that the only black bags that I had left in my collection were my my Longchamp Les Pliages, and I had one black Michael Kors bag. So I wanted to go ahead and get my black collection reestablished. You guys, this is just gorgeous. I am filming in a combination of natural light plus my ring light, so my apologies if the lighting is a bit off. But yeah, this is gorgeous, and I cannot wait to do a full review and a what's in my bag on these Dooney Hatties. Florentine leather is one of the best that Dooney has to offer. If you guys have never experienced it, I do highly recommend it. So let's get to the next item, you guys. All right, y'all, so I have another box here from Dooney, and I actually picked up 3 pieces. This is from I Heart Dooney or I Love Dooney.com. And again, this box was completely intact and in perfect shape. The first item I picked up is this coin case. So this is the small coin case. So this is the small coin case, you guys. I have been wanting one of these for a very long time. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I didn't expect all of this. So there is a back slip pocket here. There is, let me stop fighting with the zipper. There is a front zip pocket, as well as the main zipper compartment. I do believe I picked this up for under $40. I do not remember the exact price, but I love Dooney, or I Heart Dooney. Whatever, I'll put the correct name of the website on the screen. They were having an amazing sale on these, so I wanted to go ahead and get one, and I am very much pleased with this piece. Very pleased with this piece. So this is gorgeous, and this is in the classic black with brown trim. So pretty. I didn't know it had that slip pocket in the back. Why y'all didn't tell me? Goodness, but this is beautiful. This is definitely old school Dooney vibes, like the good stuff that my grandma had back in the day. So that's piece number one. And then this next piece, kind of already open. This is the name on there. The name is not on here, but I do believe this is the large card holder, also in black with that light brown or that cognac color trim. I'm not sure what color this is, but this is just like that classic Dooney trim color. And on the inside, I love, you cannot beat Dooney's quality on their SLGs, you guys. You just really can't. Here is the registration card. There are 2 card slots on each side. This piece is pretty much made very similar to the Michael Kors card case that I'm carrying this week, with 2 card slots on each side and then a center compartment. Everything on this is very substantial. I love the fact that it has real leather card slots, like sturdy leather card slots, unlike what Coach is doing now. So I really appreciate the fact that Dooney over the years has not cheapened out with their materials, because I can see where Coach is cutting corners in some areas. I still love them, but Dooney is not doing that. And then I love that Dooney and Burke little nameplate on there. So pretty. So here are the 2 SLGs together, because y'all know I love me a good SLG. Love it, love it. And then let's get to the star of this unboxing. So here she is. I'm gonna get the box out the way. So here she is, you guys. This is the black twist strap hobo. Okay, so this is the strap. This is the black twist strap hobo, and they had it in 2 options on the I Heart Dooney website. They had it with the black handle and black trim, or you could get it in the brown trim. But I just love that contrast, so I decided to get it with the brown trim. This is what she looks like on the back. There are no feet on this bag, and then here is the depth of the bag. I could see this bag being a very comfortable carry once you get this top part folded down. I love these tassels. Let me get those unwrapped. So I have the wrapping off the tassels. If you are a fan of Dooney, then you know that they do tassels extremely well. So I am going to enjoy that feature on this bag. And then it is fully stuffed, but when it's not stuffed, this top does fold down like that. So this purchase, I'm gonna have to go ahead and call out my good purse sis, Mo Knows Beauty, because I saw this on her channel. She had the Florentine leather version and hers was beautiful. And what am I feeling right here? Oh no, this is a little flaw in the leather. Hold on, y'all. Okay, you guys, there is a teeny tiny flaw in the leather right here. I don't even know if the camera is catching it. It's just like a little piece of raised texture. I don't know if it's a piece of glue or what. I really do not want to go through the hassle of sending this bag back. So I'm going to see if that's something that can just be rubbed off the bag or what. I don't know. But other than that, the bag is pretty flawless. And you guys, let me just give a disclaimer. I'm not a nitpicky kind of person. But I do check my bags. And I usually don't find anything wrong. So that little piece, honestly, I just happen to feel it. I don't know. I just happen to feel it. It is, when I say it's tiny, it's tiny. So here is, like I said, the twist strap hobo. And here's that strap detailing that is just so beautiful. And then here are the pieces together. So here's a large card case with her and the coin case. So pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, YouTube.